attractive Cure Ultra is ready to use. Pre-lubricated with gel, offering men and women a fast, comfortable, convenient cathing experience. Cure Ultra catheters use minimum material, so they are ideal for individuals who value an eco-friendly option. The Cure Ultra is offered with a straight tip for women. Tip options for men include coude and straight tip. The small, flexible packaging and kink-resistant catheter make the Cure Ultra conveniently portable. With clean hands, tear an opening in the Cure Ultra package at the notch. As the catheter is removed from the pouch, a unique cover-all feature ensures even distribution of gel lubricant. A gripper prevents direct contact with the catheter for clean, controlled use and reduced risk of exposure to bacteria that can lead to infection. The pre-lubricated Cure Ultra catheter tip features smooth, polished eyelets for comfort. This magnified image shows an eyelet on a Cure medical catheter compared to eyelets on 2 other national brands. The difference in eyelet quality is clearly seen, and it can be felt. Using the gripper, insert the pre-lubricated Cure Ultra into the body. Gently slide the catheter into the bladder until urine begins to flow. When the bladder is empty, simply remove and dispose of the catheter. The portfolio of Cure Medical intermittent catheters includes traditional and innovative styles of exceptional quality and value for men, women, and children. They always feature smooth, polished eyelets and are not made with potentially harmful chemicals such as DEHP, DINP, BPA, or natural rubber latex. Request product samples today.